I gotta update you guys about the sky. Look at it! Look at it! Oh man, it is hot out today. It's over 90 degrees here in Georgia. Oh man, what is this nonsense? And 90 degrees in Georgia doesn't mean 90 degrees of just heat. It means 90 degrees of wet heat. The humidity here sucks, especially since it's been raining like almost every day. I know I talk about the weather like every time I do a moto vlog. It's just like a habit now. I gotta update you guys about the sky. Look at it! Look at it! That car back there flashes lights. I feel like there's a cop up here. Sneaky, sneaky. So I'm actually making this moto vlog real quick. Hopefully it's gonna be really short. I just have to ask, do any of you guys watching work out? Do you even lift, bro? So a lot of you know I'm in the Army National Guard, and like I do stay fit that way. I try to anyway. Oh, I see the motorcycle cop. But pretty soon I'll be getting out of the National Guard, so I'm gonna have to go back to working out on my own. And what I do is normally all body weight stuff. I don't like the whole go to the gym and like pick up as much weight as you can. I like to use my own body weight to build physique. Not that there's anything wrong with doing it any other way, it's just what I find to be effective and fun for me. Because I don't work out very much. It's not that entertaining to me like it is a lot of people. But when I do body weight, and that's fun for me. So a routine that I did very shortly was one I found on the internet. This routine is 75 pull-ups, which I switch between chin-ups and pull-ups to do the 75. 75 dips, 150 squats, and 150 push-ups. And then at the end, after all that's done, 20 minutes of abs and core. It's a pretty brutal thing, especially if you haven't done any exercises before or like any body weight before. It'll beat you definitely. I know, like, when I first started doing it, I couldn't finish it, and I stopped for a while and came back. And when I came back recently, I definitely didn't finish it. I think everything but the core and the push-ups, but I couldn't even get it to like 75 push-ups. I think I stopped at like 75. But when I came back and just did it like without warming up or anything, it was a really bad idea. I was sore for like a week, and that is bad. But anyway, I have to build back up to that. So you can obviously, if you guys want to do that, modify those numbers to whatever you can do without hurting yourself. Don't do what I did and like try and push it out when you can't. I was just not having a good gym day, and I still tried to do it, and it just, I don't know, not a good idea. There's also another simple one I'm gonna try to do daily, and that's just like wake up, do 10 push-ups, 10 sit-ups, 30 seconds of a plank, and like 10 squats or something. And just try to repeat that a few times in the morning, like 3 to 5 times, just to get like a good little morning workout. But yeah, so what do you guys do? Do you guys not go to the gym ever at all? Because I don't blame you at all for that. Gym sucks. But I noticed like a lot of bikers are like really into fitness and just trying to hit the gym when they can, and a lot of them have routines. And I was just wondering, if you guys do have routines, what is it? Are you willing to share your gym routines with me so that I may learn or even try out your routines if I like them? But yeah, that's all I got, guys. So I'll catch you next time, and always remember, eat your mailboxes. Nom 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 nom.